Transform your widescreen footage into scroll-stopping vertical videos for social media dominance, right here in Premiere Pro. First, let's get your project set up. If you're starting a new project, you'll want to consider the final output from the get-go. However, if you've already got horizontal footage, we can easily adapt it for this tutorial. We'll assume you have existing horizontal footage. Locate your sequence in the project panel, right-click on it and select Sequence Settings. This is where the magic happens. In Sequence Settings, you'll see Frame Size. This defines your video's dimensions. To switch to a vertical format, we need to swap these values. You'll typically want a 916 aspect ratio for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. That means changing your width to 1080 pixels and your height to 1920 pixels. Make sure to click OK to apply these changes. Now, your sequence is vertical, but your existing horizontal footage might look like this: too small and off-center. Select your clip directly on the timeline, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, you'll see Scale and Position. We need to scale up your footage to fill the new vertical frame. Increase the scale value until your video fills the screen from top to bottom. You might need to adjust the position parameters to center your key subject or action. Play around with the position until your main subject is perfectly framed. You can pan and scan your footage to find the most compelling view within the vertical space. If you have multiple clips, repeat the scaling and repositioning process for each one to make this smoother. You can actually copy the scaling and positioning of one clip and paste it onto others. Simply right-click on a clip you've already adjusted, select Copy, then select the other clips you want to apply it to. Right-click again, choose Paste Attributes, and ensure only scale and position are checked. This saves a ton of time. And there you have it, your horizontal video transformed into a perfect vertical format for maximum impact on social media.